Hi, today I'm standing in front of 21118 Banbury Road in Noblesville, Indiana. We're just north of Morse Reservoir in a quiet little neighborhood. This one just hit the market today, and hey, I think you're gonna like it. Let's check it out. First thing you notice is it's been well taken care of, and people have taken really strong pride of ownership. I wish I had flowers like this. Okay, we go in. You immediately are greeted with really tall cathedral ceiling. It's really nice. You walk into a good sized living room with attractive windows on both sides of the brick fireplace that's wood burning with a gas starter. It's kind of the best of both worlds. And you can see from every angle here, it's attractive. You got the tall cathedral ceiling, you got the wooden staircase, and it morphs right into your kitchen and breakfast area. Great for entertaining. Table here. You've got the peninsula bar counter for putting a quick lunch or breakfast up there if you'd like. The kitchen itself is well laid out. You've got a good work triangle. You've got stainless steel appliances. You've got the tile backsplash. You got granite countertops. You got a tile floor. Over in the corner here, you have a decent sized pantry. And then you have your breakfast area here, which is really good size too. And it's tiled and it leads off in all directions. Right around the corner is the dining room. Makes it easy for serving holiday dinners and that type of thing. Nice bench seat, good view of the flowers there. You got a tray ceiling. It's an attractive room that's got enough openness to it that you don't feel crowded in. Enough wall space if you want to do some hutch or that type of thing, you can. You got a powder room right here off of there. And then we come around the corner here before we go upstairs. Let's take a look at the master. So you have a split floor plan here with a really nice sized master. You got a vaulted ceiling in here as well. This is a good sized room. Fit plenty of furniture in here, a lot of good wall space for doing so. You got the master bath ensuite with a walk-in closet here on the right. You got double vanity sinks. You got a jetted garden tub, soaker tub, walk-in shower. So good size bathroom with quite a bit of natural light. And now we'll go upstairs and take a look at the other bedrooms. You have 3 or 4 bedrooms upstairs here, depending on how you'd like to use them. Good sized room here. This is either a bedroom or a bonus room. You've got a closet, you've got extra storage space, but really good size here, regardless of how you want to use it for a workout room, a home office, kids playroom, a couple kids, overnights. It's pretty nice. You've got the hall bathroom here with fiberglass tub and shower unit. Another bedroom yet, and the 4th or 5th bedroom, depending on how you want to use them, okay? Let's go back downstairs and check out the outside. The exterior here is a really nice feature of this house. Breakfast room opens right into a really nice screened-in porch. I'm getting ready to do one on my house and I'm taking some notes. Gives it a nice cabin feel, but it's good size. You can put some furniture out here. You can enjoy the evenings without the bugs getting you. And if you want to enjoy the sunlight during the day, hey, you've got this nice wooden deck. Looks out over an open backyard. You've got some really nice Norway pines back there. This red sugar maple that's really pretty in the fall, I'm sure. You got a fire pit, you got a storage shed for all your yard stuff. They did a nice job over here with a row of arborvitaes so that total privacy on their screened-in porch. Really pleasant backyard. Okay, the ticket on this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home that's been well cared for and is really just a hop, skip, and a jump to Morse Reservoir if you want to go boating, is $449. If I can help you in any way with this, answer questions or give you a tour, please give me a quick call or text. Once again, this is Bob, and hey, I work harder to make good things happen. You make it a great day now.